Another day and another hotel, and right now we are in the Astor Kolkata, and it seems to be a very good hotel and a luxury hotel, and I'll just show you how our room is. It's very aesthetic with red carpet, full royal look, British look. So the whole look is good, and this is my room 210. In the morning we went, I'm setting it wrong. Morning we went to Victoria and Indian Museum. Now we are here. So our bags are just dumped here. Right, so morning our other hotels is here, but now we are into the Astor. So good hotel, a very good fragrance the first time you enter. We have the queen bed here and the floor plan. Nice, good bed. Okay, let me switch off the sun. There's a lot of noise. Okay, there's a reading light, there's a bedside lamps both the side, there's two pillows, and then there's a small pillow, a matching liner, then the table stand, then you have a reading light, and then you have a chair, a painting, and then good blinds, a TV, and then you have a water bottle, then there's the snacks which are chargeable, and happy hours at the lobby, and then a cup, tea, kettle, and then here's a fridge, whatever we have inside the fridge. Okay, there's a Sprite, there's Coke, there's other things, and the ginger ale, tonic water. Okay, but all are chargeable for sure. And here I am, so fully sweaty, drenched in the sweat because of the weather. There's a laundry bag, there's a locker, and there's the washroom, a very good washroom. What else we have in the washroom? We have the shower cap, we have the sanitary pad, we have the lotion, we have, what do you have? And this should get into the toothpaste and stuff. There's the comb. There's a soap, nice, very well cleaned. The washroom. Okay, there's also foam. Then anti-slip mats, in the shower, then there are liquid gels and the towels. So that's pretty much it. There's the second hotel where we'll be staying here for today. And the last hotel was yesterday when it came. We just came only after we landed from the flight. So I think done. That's pretty much in this hotel right now. Other things we'll explore later.